it's Dr. Odom.
And this is my dog, Champ.
We love our pets. So let's dig into a little true or false, all about pet allergies. So first, hypoallergenic pets don't cause allergies. False. No pet is 100% hypoallergenic. Some breeds may shed a little bit less, but all animals produce dander and saliva proteins that can trigger allergies. Cats are often the bigger allergy culprits. This is true. So cat allergens are tiny and they are super sticky, and they can stay in the home for months, even after the cat is gone. My child's allergies will just go away if I clean the house more. False. So regular cleaning does help, but the dander is microscopic and it floats through the air. Antihistamines can help manage allergy symptoms. This is true. Children's Claritin dye-free chewables gives 24-hour non-drowsy relief, so your kids can love on their pets again without the constant sneezing and itchy eyes. So pets, stay. Sniffles, go. And Champ definitely approves of this message.